Hey everybody, sorry I wasn't able to do this sooner. Most of this is already cooked, but I just wanted to give you a quick tip. I fixed earlier some chicken flavored noodles. You can tell it's still warm. This is 2 bags, and it almost filled the pot. Boys have already dipped into it. I had a little bit, and there's still more than enough left over. I've also got a half a bag of fries in the oven. I'm going to do the other half here in a little bit. Let's see. And then I've got a half a bag of chicken nuggets. And that is our dinner for the night. We've got some really good grapes to nibble on. And I did not grab anything for dessert, but we've still got goodies that we can nibble on for that. It makes a really good filling meal for cheap, and we still get leftovers. There's not going to be any chicken nuggets left over, obviously. The fries are going to be iffy, but there's going to be noodles left over for sure, but they will be wiped out by tomorrow. So for just about the price of feeding one person, I can't remember exactly what everything cost, but for about the cost of feeding one person, you can get a pretty good meal off of that. And that's just one dinner. So we will catch you guys later, and hopefully I can get some more stuff up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And we'll see everybody later on. Have a good day.